Hello guys. Welcome back again to NS Euphoria channel. Okay guys, like always guys, how are you guys? I hope you guys are fine and healthy. Also, I hope your day is a best day guys. Okay guys, today guys, I will react to Viis guys. Viis mirror guys. Okay guys, without taking too much time, let's get started reacting together with me guys. In 1, 2, 3, let's go. This song really good guys. This kind of like a fantasy movie.
This
Like
ฉันจะเล่านิทานเรื่องนี้เธอฟังเอาไหม
oh
เรื่องนี้เธอและใครๆควรจะเข้าใจ
เขาใช้
เจ้าหญิงที่ดีคงจะมีแค่ในนิทานฉันก็ไม่รู้ว่าอะไรที่เธอต้องการแต่ที่ใครก็เล่ามา I've never care Mirror mirror let me know ในกระจกคือฉันหรือใคร I'm the queen of the world
I'm the queen of the world
Just tell me mirror mirror let me know ฉันไม่ได้เป็นเหมือนใคร I'm the queen of the world
โอ้
รักฉันจริงแต่อย่าเป็นเหมือนใครมันก็คงไม่ใช่โอเค
โห
ต่อให้รักปลอมๆนี่จะสวยเท่าไรก็ไม่ใช่ของจริงโอเครักฉันที่ฉันนั้นเป็นอยากเห็นมากหรือไงบอกว่ารักฉันจริงแต่อย่าเป็นเหมือนใครมันก็ค
I
ง
don't know
ไม่
the
ใช่
lyrics guys
Everybody wants to be on top in this business. Everybody wants to be somebody else in it. Everybody wants to be somebody sent for you, yeah. รักในสิ่งที่ฉันนั้นเป็นไม่ใช่สิ่งที่ใครนั้นเห็น Everybody knows to be on top in this business, yeah. Ooh.
When I see the apple it's gonna feel like watching Snow White movie Snow White fairy tale yeah. Mirror guys they use the mirror like this guys
บอกรักฉันจริงแต่เป็นใครมันก็คงไม่ใช่โอเคต่อให้รักปลอมๆมันจะสวยเท่าไรก็ไม่ใช่ของจริงโอเครักฉันที่ฉันนั้นเป็นอยากเก็บไว้ไม่ได้บอกว่ารักฉันจริงแต่เป็นใครมันก็คงไม่ใช่โอเคเข้าใจไม่ต้องมีค่าแค่นี้ใจก็คง
Their dancing really short guys apple What happened? Oh, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. Okay. Oh, this music part. Watch. Let's go. Wait. What? Their kids are really high, you guys. Oh, I'm the queen of the world. Wow, it's really cool guys. Their charisma really pops out. The aura. Charismatic aura. I don't know how they do like this. I don't know. This is a mirror by Viis guys. Viis guys. What do you guys think about this song guys? Please leave your comment in the comment section down there guys. I will read it guys. And also yeah, their MV really good. It's kind of like Snow White fairy tale. Like there's an apple and also there's like a mirror like this. When they dance with the mirror, it's really cool. It's like this like this the mirror. and also yeah, and also their dance are really sharp too, guys. I'm not pro in this kind of thing, but this is what I see as an audience. Overall, their charismatic aura really like pops out. Like wow, like wow, wow. I don't know what is the word in English. I forgot, guys. Yeah, and also their aura really good, and also their vocal also, and their dancing really good. It's really cool, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. Don't forget to follow Viis. Uh, don't forget to follow Viis on their on their social media, and also don't forget to follow their YouTube channel Genius Official, guys. Follow them, guys, and also yeah. Without taking too much time, let's get started watching the next video. Kaja. Okay, guys. This is the second song that I will react for today, guys. The song title is Sugar. Sugar by DVI, guys. Okay, guys, without taking too much time, let's get started watching and reacting with me, guys. If you guys know this song, please sing together, guys. Okay, I will get started in 1, 2, 3, let's go. Kaja, guys, let's go. Oh, my gummy tip, guys. It's hard. Sugar, too much sweetness, guys. Sugar.
I don't wanna stop for you, I'm gonna try. Just until you fall into my arms.
Ooh.
I don't wanna keep on waiting day and
This song
night.
really good,
Tell me
guys.
you want my love, baby, give it up. Now I need you so bad. So bad.
So
How can I
bad.
try go so sad?
Oh, there is a superpower,
Oh
guys.
baby, could you please give me a
Okay,
chance?
the eyes like
Put it
kind of like
on
there's
me.
red.
Oh yeah. My heart is boom boom like
Oh.
that. Baby, you like that. 지금 why you get crazy? Why you
It's really
do
cool,
like
guys.
that? Baby, all I need is to be loved by you. Just you. It's game on.
Oh.
Don't you know how much I love you? When you feel that you
Oh,
want
this
me
is butterfly.
to.
Oh.
I want you to be my sugar. Just tell me love it. Sugar.
Oh.
Now be my sugar. You want me and I push out. It's UTAR. That's my girl.
That's my sugar,
You should
baby.
let me be the one. But why you have to be so very cold?
Oh.
Shaking your story all night. Kissing me through all the watch, yeah. Just like a hashtag, I'll be shaking on you like a maniac. You know now I miss you so bad. It's so bad. I can match your right, got so sad.
So sad.
Baby, could you please give me a chance? Put it on me. Oh yeah. My heart is boom boom like that. Missing you like that. Inviting me to go to crazy. Why you do like that? Baby, all I need is to be loved by you. Just you. It's game on. Don't you know how much I love you? When you feel that you want me to.
Oh, this song really good, guys.
Sugar. Just tell me love it. Sugar.
Oh, sugar. Too much sweetness, guys.
UTAR. That's my girl. That's my sugar.
Oh. This is disco ball lights. Disco ball. Oh.
So clearly to our
Hey.
Kid จริงเธอตลอดคิดเกินกับคำว่าชอบ
They have
ทำ
color
เธอ
really
ก็ไม่
cool.
ตอบไม่เห็นเธอก็ตอบชอบ
I don't know what it's called, like green. Green color, I think.
No, I can't just let no more.
Oh, the high notes.
Sugar, just tell me love it. Sugar.
Hey.
Now be my sugar. You want me and I push out. It's UTAR. That's my girl. That's my sugar.
Oh, guys. This is Sugar by DVI, guys. What do you guys think about this song, guys? Please leave a comment in the comment section, guys. This song really good, and also yeah, the music kinda like addictive, like make us attract with it. And also overall the music video really good and it's really cool also. Yeah, and also their clothes, their hair really good also, guys. Yeah, and also yeah. And also, guys, without taking too much time, let's get started watching the next video. Kaja. And I forgot to say, don't forget to stream on their on DVI YouTube channel, guys. Okay, and also yeah, thank you so much. No, thank you so much. This is not the end. This is only the second song. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, without taking too much time, let's get started watching the next video. Kaja. Okay guys, this is the last song that I will react for today, guys. The song title is what is it again? Oh, I don't know the song title because it's in Thai language, guys. If you guys know the title in English, can you guys leave a comment in the comment section, guys? Help me, guys. Should you do it, guys? ใครโครได้ช่วยด้วย help me please. Okay, guys, this is song from Paris with Paris with Pearwah. Yeah, and also this is from OST from My Ambulance Thai drama, guys. Okay, guys, without taking too much time, let's get started reacting and watching the video with me, guys. Okay, sorry, guys. We'll get started in 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. I'm sucking with her, guys. I'm with her. Oh, he must be late.
บางทีเธอจะยอมใจเย็นและฟังฉันสักหน่อย
Oh,
บางวันที่ไม่เจอทำให้เธอต้องเงียบเหงาบ่อยๆ
oh, the dancing.
จริงไม่เลยยัง
Kinda
ไม่เคยจะ
cute
ไป
though.
หาใครๆที่อย่าไปคิดอะไรก็อยากให้รู้เอาไว้
Oh, you why?
เธอจะทำอะไรเธอใจถึงสปา
Oh,
ตอนนี้เธอจะทำอะไรฉันใจหายตลอด
he need to comfort her
ไม่ดึงไม่แล
because
และไม่แค่
he comes late, I guess.
ก็จะไม่คิดอะไรแต่ฉันคิดยังไง
The heart balloon.
ก็เครื่องมันแฮงไม่อย่างนั้นก็เน็ตกาดเฟซมันล่มก็ไลน์รั่วอย่าคิดมากอยากสื่อสารไม่ต้องพึ่งนกพิราบแค่คิดถึงจำแค่นั้นฉันก็ทราบจะไปอยู่ตรงหน้าจะไปหาแน่ๆเธอจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะเปิดไซเรนไปหาฉันแน่แค่คิดถึงฉันเอาไว้
ไม่ได้อยากถามแต่แค่อยากรู้ว่าเธอยังรักฉันไหม
Oh,
แค่นี้แต่
the dancing, guys.
ไกลแสนไกล
Ooh.
ใจเธอวันนี้ไปเป็นของใคร
Cry.
หาไม่เจออยากอธิษฐานในวันที่หาวันเดิมกลับมาได้ไหม
Da-da-da.
มีเธอมีฉันไม่ว่าเราจะอยู่ที่ใดแค่หลับตาลง
มาเมื่อไร
ก็มีเธอ
ช่วยดูแลกัน Oh, the dancing really simple, guys. Oh, I need to remember the steps. Oh,
ก็เธอยังเป็นเธอคนนั้น
โอเค
คิดไปเอง
และเธอยังเป็นเธอคนเดิมๆคนที่ง้อไม่เก่ง
the sunglasses.
แค่คำเดียวเป็นอะไรที่มันพูดไม่ออก
It's gonna like
ก็อยากจะซึ้งจะบอก
Ooh.
แต่เธอพูดก่อนไหม
ก็คืนมันแห้งไม่อย่าง นั้นก็เน็ตด่าเฟซมันลงก็ไลน์รั่วอย่าคิดมากอยากสื่อสารไม่ต้องพึ่งนกพิราบแค่คิดถึงจำแค่นั้นฉันก็ทราบจะไปอยู่ตรงหน้าจะไปหาแน่ๆเธอจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะเปิดไซเรนไปหาเธอแน่แค่คิดถึงฉันเอาไว้
The awkward situation, guys.
ไม่ได้อยากทำ
Hey, I like the bubbles around her. It's really beautiful. ว้า
ใจเธอวันนี้ไม่เป็นของใครหาไม่เจออยากเอาที่เธอในปาฏิหาริย์วันนั้นกลับมาได้ไหมมีเธอมีฉันไม่ว่าเรานั้นจะอยู่ที่
What is that like this? They're playing funny thing. Oi, funny dance. No funny thing, funny dance.
ช่วยดูแลกัน
Oi, look! Like this? On the reverse? Oh, be careful up there. Oh, if we do this in the public, guys, in reality, people will see us like with side eyes if we do that dance in the public, guys. Oh, hoy. I don't know the title in English,
ไม่
guys.
ได้อยากถามแต่แค่อยาก
โอ้
รู้ว่าเธอยังรักฉันไหม
Oh.
อยู่ใกล้แค่นี้แต่เหมือน
It's not ending yet, guys. It is
ใจเธอวันนี้ไม่เป็นของใครหา
โอ้
ไม่เจอ
It's
อยากอธิษฐานให้ปาฏิหาริย์วันนั้นกลับมาได้ไหมมีเธอมีฉันไม่ว่าเรานั้นจะอยู่ที่ใดแค่หลับตารู้
เดินมาเมื่อไหร
ก็มี
Oh, it's really fun to dance together like this, guys.
ช่วยดูแลกัน
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, guys. This is OST from my ambulance, guys. I don't know the title in English, guys, because it's in a Thai language, so I cannot read it, guys. So it's from Ice Paris and Pearwah. Yeah, this song really good. And also, yeah, what do you guys think about this song, guys? It's kind of like a funny little bit, like in the video, like the dancing and the funny little bit, and also they're dancing like you guys can have fun with your friends and doing the dancing together with them. It will be really fun, guys. I really want to try with my friend, but my friend already married, so I cannot do that with them because they're so far away, guys. They have their own family. Yeah. I really want to try it. Da 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 da. Playing like train and choo choo with your friend, guys. This song, the dancing is so fun with friends. Like, yeah, this song really good. Also the vocal, yeah. Overall, the MV are really good and funny also. Yeah, and also yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my reaction, guys. Sorry, guys. Sometimes my video there's like my voice are not how to say it, are not synchronized with my video, guys. My video not synchronized with my voice, guys. I don't know how to fix it. At first it was fine. After I'm exporting on the vlog star, it did not fix it. I don't know why. What happened? I don't know how to fix it, guys. Never mind. I will just pause it, guys. At least you guys can hear my voice instead. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel at NS my YouTube channel NS Euphoria channel. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Patreon, guys. And also don't forget to follow me on TikTok also. But I'm rarely post on my TikTok, guys. Just sometimes when I feel I want to, guys. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope next time, until we meet again next time, guys, I hope you guys stay healthy and also eat more delicious food, guys. I really like to eat food, guys. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching also. Yeah, see you guys next time. Bye bye.